Today, we were going to talk about the proper waste management or the proper segregation of waste. There are two kinds of how to segregate waste: the biodegradable or wet waste and the non-biodegradable or the dry waste. Waste segregation basically means keeping the dry and wet waste separately so that the dry waste can be recycled, while the wet waste can be compost. What is biodegradable? Biodegradable, nabubulok or wet waste. This consists kitchen waste including vegetables and fruits peeling, eggshells as well as cooked food. These are the things that can be easily decomposed by the natural agents like oxygen, water and many more. What is non-biodegradable? Non-biodegradable, dry waste or denabubulok. This consists glass, metal, paper, can, styrofoam and many more. These are the things that cannot be easily decomposed in the soil by the natural agent. Since we knew the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, now I will show you how I practice proper segregation at home. First, keep two containers for the wet waste or biodegradable and the dry waste or non-biodegradable. Second, keep the separate bags for dry and wet waste. I have here fruit peelings, which is an example of biodegradable or wet waste. Eggshells, another example of biodegradable or wet waste. Next thing that I have is paper, which is an example of non-biodegradable or dry waste. Plastic bottles and cans, another example of non-biodegradable or dry waste. Plastics, another example of non-biodegradable. Third, keep the bags clean and dry and drop it into the dry waste bin. Plastic or glass containers should be rinsed at food matter. Fourth, keep wet waste out of the home daily, or you could give the leftover to the animals in the street like the stray cats and dogs. Lastly, use the 5 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle, refuse, repurpose. In this simple way, we can contribute to the cleanliness of our environment. We need to practice proper segregation at home so that we can help reduce waste that reaches landfalls and reduces pollution to air and water. So now we're done segregating waste. Always make sure to wash your hand to prevent germs and bacteria.